Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file in Google Docs. First, open Google Drive, then click on New in the top left hand corner and select File Upload. Next, locate the PDF document that you want to upload into Google Docs. I'm going to upload this document here. Simply select the file and click Open. In the bottom right hand corner, you will see the upload progress. Once it's finished, click on your upload PDF document. Then in the top right hand corner, click the drop down arrow and choose Open with Google Docs. From here, you can edit and make changes to your PDF document. If you would like to resave and download it back as a PDF, just click on File, then Download and select PDF document. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.